Hello. Today we are going to discuss about the solution of a problem. So let me first share this question with you. You can see the question. If force capital F is equal to K e to the power minus BR divided by R square varies with distance R, then write the dimensions of K and B. So just to inform you, this question is taken from units and measurements chapter of NCERT class 11 physics. So we here in this question, we are required to calculate the dimensions of K and B. So the force is given to be, once again, let us have a look at this expression for force. The force is given to be F equal to K exponential of minus BR divided by R square. So I have made a handwritten solution for this particular question. So I'd like to share right now the handwritten solution to this question. I hope you are able to see this handwritten solution right now. So it is given to us that the force capital F was dependent on R, the distance. Therefore, this exponential term, that exponential term should be dimensionless. So what was that exponential term? The exponential term was e to the power minus br. And of course, we have the constant quantity capital K and divided by R square. So force, which is equal to force. So the force is dependent on R square. Therefore, in order to happen that, therefore, this dimension of this exponential quantity, there should not be any dimension to this exponential quantity. And if we should not have a dimension to this exponential quantity, in that case, B should have a dimension inverse to that of R. Okay, so R is the distance. So distance has a dimension of M0, L1, T0. Okay, so that is the dimension of distance, small r. And if B has to be, B should have a dimension inverse to that of distance r, in that case, what would be the dimension of B? So the dimension of B would be something like this. So M0 in place of L1 for B, it would would have to write it as L to the power minus 1 and T0. Fine. So this would be the dimension of B. So if the dimension of B is inverse to that of dimension of R, then this exponential quantity will be dimensionless. So I hope this part is clear. Now we should also calculate the dimension of the quantity capital K. Okay. So as per this question, so capital K is proportional to F R square. Okay, F stands for force and R stands for distance. So what would be the dimension of the quantity K? So please note that e to the power minus br, although it will be included in the value of K, but e to the power minus br is a dimensionless quantity. Therefore, in order to calculate the dimension of K, we would just consider the dimensions of force and distance squares. So the dimension of force is given something like this: m1 L1 t to the power minus 2, and that of R square is m0 L square T0. Fine. So now we have to multiply the dimensions of these two quantities F and R square. Therefore, if we multiply the dimensions of both these quantities like this, so what will you get? We will get, so it will be something like m1 L1 T minus 2 multiplied by m0 L2 T0. Therefore, if we multiply these two dimensions, we will have m1. Okay, so just add the powers of m on both sides. 1 plus 1 is 1. So L3, L1 we have here in the first quantity. In the second quantity, we have L2. So 1 plus 2 will be 3, L3. And then we have here t minus 2, and here we have t minus 0. So minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2. So this particular dimension will represent the same for the quantity k. So in this way, you can solve this particular problem. So the answers are, the dimension of B is this one, M0 L minus 1 T0, and the dimension for the quantity K is M1 L3 T minus 2. I hope this solution has been clear to you, and I thank you for watching this video.